G'day, it's Sean from Crockers Paint Wallpaper here. Just want to show you an example of enamel yellowing. People often wonder why the enamel has gone a yellowy sort of colour when it's supposed to be white. Now, prime example, I'm just going to swing the camera around, is a cavity door like this one here in the bathroom. Now, the darkness causes the enamel to yellow more. So if you have a look on this side of the door, it's quite white against the architrave, which is white. And if you look on that side of the door, you got the nice white architrave, and that's a lot more yellow in colour, because generally that door is slid back into the cavity, into the darkness most of the time. So that's a prime example. If we open it up like that, that's how it lives most of the time. That's a prime example of the enamel yellowing. So there's the cavity door. So you can see the yellowing on the right hand side. Now the yellowing can actually reverse. So if that door got left in that position for most of its life, that yellowing would actually get a bit whiter again. So it can reverse, but it won't come back to the pure white. Now that door is only 2 years old, but as we said before, it spends most of its life back in the cavity because you don't leave the door closed. So that's how it sits most of the time. Now, another example of yellowing happening with the enamel is from cleaning products, and ammonia causes yellowing with enamel, and there's ammonia in cleaning products. Now this example here, there's a mark down there because a rag has been rinsed out that's had a cleaning product on it and white. I think you can see the yellow stain which is caused from a bit of ammonia left in a rag. So another example of enamel yellowing. So to help avoid the yellowing, you can use a water-based gloss acrylic or semi-gloss acrylic, and that's the Krysler one, or you've got the Haymes acrylic enamel, which is a water-based. So the water-based doesn't yellow nearly as much as the enamel. I think it's about 20 times less than what the enamel does. So that's yellowing of enamel.